So how do you key a perfect green screen in Premiere Pro? Find out in today's video. So in your software, first things first, go to the effects panel and grab your Ultra key set and drop it to your footage. Now go to your effects control on your right side and there should be a tab, and if you can't find anything or have messed up the layout, you could always look for it or reset the layout on the Windows tab here. Now on your Ultra key, click on the color select tool near key color and click on the color near the object, which already does like 90% of the job. Now let me get my selected background to get a better visual of what I'm doing. So it's just this lady standing on a street, but I can still see some green highlights and some shadow. So what you want to do is head over to your output and click on alpha channel. So this one's pretty simple. You want to keep the object pretty like white as you can. Any sort of shade on it means it's probably picking some sort of reflection and masking it out as well along the background. I have a better example over here. I just pulled a random picture, but this is a rough green screen which people like you and me might be using, and we try to get the best results in post. But a pro tip would be to make sure your green screen has good lighting and have no wrinkles or shadows at all, and never wear anything reflective. Now do the same thing with this one. Go to your alpha channel, and as you can see, this one has a lot of shadows on the back. So what you want to do is go down to your settings and play with transparency and pedestal. Now transparency I don't use that much because it's like very sensitive, but pedestal, as you can see, helped a lot. And let's say if you have some rough edges, like if you have a lot of green edges on your clothing, or it's just something that reflecting on the border of your shirt or something, you can head over to your matte cleanup and just play around with choke and soften, which will help a lot, especially on the edges. And one last key touch would be just to do some additional adjustments to your subjects to mask the background. Yeah, so let me just fast forward this. I'm just doing temperature, saturation, contrast, all the basic stuff. I mean, you can play around with this. It just depends on your object, really. And when you're done with that, you should be looking pretty solid. So yeah, that'll be all for today's video. If you need more tutorials, please let me know. I'll do any Premiere Pro tutorial you want. It could be After Effects, it could be anything Adobe related. And yeah, please make sure to subscribe to check more of my previous content and more future content. I'll be doing a lot of software-based, tutorial-based stuff. So yeah, stick around for that.